Dumpster rental service in Green Lane, Pennsylvania. For dependable dumpster rental service in Green Lane, Pennsylvania, trust Blue Dumpsters Incorporated. We take pride in offering reliable waste disposal solutions tailored to your specific project needs, big or small. From home cleanouts and renovations to managing construction sites, we provide the right dumpster to handle your waste efficiently. Our team ensures on-time delivery and prompt pickup, keeping your project running smoothly from start to finish. We know your time is valuable, so we make the rental process simple, straightforward, and hassle-free. If you need help choosing the right dumpster or have questions about the process, our friendly and knowledgeable staff is always ready to assist. We prioritize customer satisfaction and are committed to environmentally responsible waste disposal. By adhering to sustainable practices, we do our part to protect the environment and promote a cleaner, greener community. You can count on us to handle your waste responsibly, giving you peace of mind throughout your project. Contact us today at 215-999-2583 to schedule your dumpster rental service and experience our dedication to exceptional service firsthand. At Blue Dumpsters Incorporated, we make waste management simple and stress-free, helping you focus on what matters most.